Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a pimento cheese. I don't know if you've ever had this before. It is, I think they consider it like a, like a southern thing. And it's absolutely amazing. I grew up eating pimento cheese. They called it a pimento cheese spread when I was growing up. But you can buy it in your local grocery store over where all the other cheese spreads are, but it's absolutely phenomenal when you make it at home. We like to eat it on Ritz crackers with celery stalks. This is so easy to make and it is so good, and it's gonna be perfect for your tailgating, football games, just as something quick and easy to grab, just to snack on. It is so good, and my husband's really excited that I'm making this today. So let's go ahead and get started. What you need to do first is shred an 8-ounce block of the sharp cheddar cheese, and then I've also shredded into here about 4 ounces of the mild cheddar cheese. You want to make sure that you shred the cheese yourself. You're not using any of that, cheese that you buy already shredded in the package, because it does not taste the same, and it will not turn out the same, because that cheese has like a powder type substance on it, and it's not good. It's not good when you're making pimento cheese. So I've already got this shredded. You can use your little trusty hand grater like I did. That's what I had to use. It seemed like it took me forever, but I don't have a food processor. If you have a food processor, then good for you. It just goes so much smoother and so much quicker. We're also going to add to this cheese 4 ounces of cream cheese, and you want to make sure that your cream cheese is like super soft, super room temperature, because you're going to want to be able to mix this all together. I'm also going to use the bigger jar. I don't know how many ounces this is. This is 7 ounces of the pimentos, diced pimentos. These are over where your like pickles and stuff are sold. But first I need to drain these. You want to make sure that you drain them really well. We're going to add those in here. I thought I wasn't going to be able to finish this video because I could not get my jar open and nobody's here but me. So what I did, if you're like me and you're like weak, or not as strong as, some people, I just took my knife underneath the lip of the lid and just kind of pushed out a little bit, and then I heard it unseal and it made it easy to open. So there's your tip for today. We're also going to add about a half a teaspoon of onion powder. That's probably about a half a teaspoon. And then we're also going to use some of the, oh boy, here we go, some of the roasted red peppers. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh boy, here we go again. So this is, I'll show you. I took it right under the lip. Oh, I still got the plastic on there. Right under the lip, and you hear that? Did you hear that little, that was, look at that. Look at that. And we're gonna fish a few of these out. And then we're just gonna slice these up. Let's give that a smushing. Look at that. That cream cheese is perfect. And I just left mine out at room temperature for a couple hours. Now we're going to add a couple big tablespoons of mayonnaise. Nice big heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and throw some black pepper in there. I like a lot. And then you just combine everything. Now, if you want to add a little bit of heat to it, you certainly could. You could throw in some crushed red pepper flakes, a little bit of cayenne pepper, just a little bit. You could chop up a jalapeno pepper in there, or I think some people even put just a little bit of hot sauce in it. But we're just making it the regular old way. Once you get all that cream cheese in there, like softened, then you can go ahead and switch to like a big spoon. Oh, it smells so good already. I think we're there. I'm just gonna use my mayonnaise spoon. You know, it'd really be good in here if you wanted to add a little bit of fresh green onions, the green from the green part from the onion. That would be amazing as well. Plus, it would be very, very pretty. I just happen to have me a little pack of crackers here. Let's go in for a bite. See, look at that. Now, does that bring back memories? You gotta pop the whole thing in there. Ma'am. That is so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have me another bite of that. And those roasted red peppers gives it such a phenomenal flavor. I gotta have another one. Going in for another one. So good. Now I'm gonna put it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator and let all the flavors marinate. It's gonna be even better when I bring it out later. A little tip, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you really should. I have been doing a lot of posting on there lately, and I'm posting pictures of things that I have made that have not actually been uploaded to YouTube yet. I think you're gonna like what you're seeing. You know I love you guys so very much. I appreciate you. Make this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.